Okay, so here's the Intex plungers that I got. I did them to replace the 1 1/4 pipe to a 1 1/2 pipe. The reason for that is because I upgraded the pump to a 14-inch sand, and it has so much suction that the 1 1/4 just wasn't cutting it. So I had to cut new holes into the pool, and then I added the plungers. What this allows me to do is it gives me great water throughput, but it also allows me to turn one of these off and on. So this one is connected to that, and I can turn that off and on, and then switch over to this one, and then add a pull sweep to it and have that operate without having to disconnect the pool filter, the skimmer right there. So that's why I did that, and it works great.